Today I'm going to be installing a Fishman 301 on my Guild 12 string here in Thailand. There's no way I'm ever going to let anybody do it here because their workmanship here, I just can't trust anybody because I've had lots of problems with workmanship here, not on just guitars but everything. Now I made a steel template out of about a 3/32 inch thick piece of steel. Scribed the lines, did all of the things. Put the Fishman 301 in there, and I sharpened the pencil so it made a very small mark on the masking tape to align the holes. The pencil made a tiny mark on the masking tape. Now the Fishman 301 has a slight curve to it. Okay. Now it's not very much, but it has a slight curve. Now, mask the cut tape on the guitar. I can put it there. I already got it centered exactly where I want it. Now what the plan is to screw this down one at a time. Okay, so I make sure that I have the holes perfectly aligned. Now when I made this template, I tested it on a piece of scrap plywood, and I found out that my battery wasn't swinging here in the bottom. Right here, wasn't quite swinging. So I filed the template down a few thousandths of an inch until I could swing the battery in the hole. And that's basically all you need to do. Now I've seen a lot of guys make the female part of the template. That's the female part of the template. That's this right here, the female part. This, I would no, wait a minute, I'm sorry. This is the female part. This is the male part. Now, if you put the part down there and you trace the line out and you scribe this by hand, there is a chance of you going out of that line onto the guitar. And you don't want to ever have to be able to try to fix that scratch. So, that is why this template gets screwed down on the guitar. And when you put the razor knife in here, there ain't no way in God's green earth are you going to go out of that template. And that's all there is to it. I don't need to talk anymore. But this is absolute foolproof way of putting your 301 in your guitar.